Okay, so we need the coefficient for the x to the sixth term of the expansion x squared minus 1 over x to the 12th. Okay, so binomial expansion, there's a trick that can be used here called Pascal's triangle. So let's just say, for example, I have a plus b to the 0. That's going to be 1. A plus b to the first is a plus b. A plus b to the second is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A plus b to the third is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Now, if you look at the coefficients here, you get a 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. And that actually just keeps going in a pattern. So let's look at what that pattern looks like. It's a thing called Pascal's triangle. And we need to get to the 12th term, so we're going to have to go for quite a while here. So let's actually work that out. So the coefficients of a binomial expansion will go 1, 1, 1, oops, 1, 1, there we go. And then you make another one, and you say 1 plus 1 is 2. And you make another one, you get 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, so that's the third. So to the fourth would be this. To the fifth would be this. To the sixth would be this. To the seventh, let's see, it's 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1. The eighth expansion is going to be 28, 56, 70, 56, 28, 8, 1. All right, so we're getting there. Ninth expansion, pretty big. Let's see, that's going to be 36, 28, and 56 is going to give me 84. 126, 126, 84, 36, 9, 1. Okay, so the 10th. Let's see, 9 and 36 is going to be 45. 36 and 84 is going to be 120. 84 plus 126 is 210. 126 plus 126 is 252, and then it goes back down. So you get the 210, 120, 45, 10, and 1. 11th, there we go, 55, 165, 330, 462, 462, 462, 330, 165, 55, 11, 1, and then finally the 12th row. 1, 12, 66. Okay, so it's 55 plus 165 is 220, right? All right, so this is going to be at 495. 330 plus 462 is going to be 792. 792. 495. Oop, no, that's not right. Back that up. 462 plus 462. All right, so 462 plus 462 is 924. 924, and then we go back down. 792, 495, 320, 66, 12, and 1. All right, so what does this mean? All right, so in a 12th expansion, right, this is going to be like a to the 12th plus 12a to the 11th times b plus 66a to the 10th times b squared, so forth and so on. All right, so let's think about this a little bit. So what we've got here is x squared minus 1 over x. Okay, so we want x to the 6th. So let's think a little bit about which term that's going to be. So if I'm starting with x squared to the 12th power, so that's going to be like x to the 24th, right? And then the next term is going to be x to the 11th power, so that's going to be x22. And then we're going to have a negative there, right? So this is going to be x22, and this one is x to the negative 12, right?
But like asks a lot of questions.
So
Just general.
we're like going to add up to, this is going to be x to the 10th, right? So the next one is like x20, and then x to the negative 11. So what's that? That's x to the 9th, right? X 18, x to the negative 10, so that's x to the 8th. X 17, x to the, or no, x 16, x to the negative 9, right? So 16 minus 9 is going to be x to the 7th. So it's going to be x to the 14th, x to the negative 8, right? So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term. Okay. So the sixth term in my thing here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 792 is my coefficient. 792 times x to the 14th. And then if I take this, let's say it's going to be the 8th, so that's going to make that a positive x to the negative 8th would be 792x to the 6th. So the coefficient for x to the 6th should be 792.